Hello, welcome. Continuation of the WASSCE 2024 May-June edition for Nigerian. The objective test question number 33. You have to find correct to the nearest whole number the value of age in this diagram. So this is a quadrilateral which has here and this angle to be 90 degrees. So if I make another line which is parallel to the base, that line will also be perpendicular to this side. Since it is going to be parallel to this and perpendicular, this 19 will be the same as the top there. That will be the length and the breadth. Then all the way from here to here is the age. And all the way from here to here is 17. Meaning 17 plus a certain number give us the age. So here will just be age minus that 17. So if I am taking here as a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem, if I'm using Pythagoras theorem, this will be the longest side. So that will be 20 square equals to the square of the sum of the shorter side, 19 square plus age minus 17 all square. So let's expand this and see what we do. 20 times 20 give us 20 square, right? That will be 400. Then 19 square will be 19 times 19. That will be 361 plus we square the first term, that is age square. That will give us age square minus twice their product. Their product will be minus age minus 17 age. Twice of that will be minus 34 age. Then we square the last one, which is minus 17 times minus 17. That will give us a positive 289. So we are going to, okay, let's transpose everything from the left to the right. Beginning with the age. So age square minus 34 age plus 289 plus 361, then minus 400. All these will be equal to 0. Let's remember we have 0 there. So our age square, here I have minus 34 age. Then when we add this very one, 9, we are going to have 600 and what? 50. So 650 minus 400, you will be left with 250 as the constant term. Not 56, 50. All right. So this is a quadratic equation whereby we need the factors of 240 when added give us this. Those two factors must be negative in order to give us the sum of this, and we cannot find direct possible factors, so we can't use factorization. So let's say our age will be equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by what? 2a. That is using the quadratic formula to arrive at the value of age, where we can say that our a is a coefficient here as 1, our b is a next coefficient minus 34, and our c is a constant term as what? 240, meaning your age will be equals to minus b minus 34 plus or minus, we are going to have minus b, right? And what is the minus b? That means negative 34 times 34. Both negative multiply will give you a positive. So 34 times 34 will give us 1156. Then minus 4ac. 4a. 4 times a is 1, so 4. 4 times the c, which is 2, I think this is 250, not 40. 250 will give us 2 times this will be 500. 500, double of that will be 1000. Divided by 2a, and the a is 1. So that is it. So let's compute the one under the square root sign and see our age will be equals to what we have, 34 plus or minus 1,000. This is 1,150. So 1,150 minus 1,000. You will be left with only 156 divided by 2. We can split this by having 34 over 2. The whole of this will also be like 4 times 39. So we are going to have 2 root 39 divided by 2. The 2 will cancel. So your age will be nothing but 34. Okay, 34 divided by 2 will give us 17. Plus or minus the root word 39. So this is 34 divided by 2. That will be 17 plus or minus 2 root 39 divided by 2. The 2 will cancel, giving you this. So when you find this in decimal, you might be finding the value of this. So from here, we can say our first value of age will be 17 plus root 39. Then the second value of age will be 17 minus root 39. This is plus or minus. So the first value and the second value. Then our calculator, we have 17 plus the root 39. That will be 23.245. Then let's change the sign from plus to minus. That will be 10.755. But don't forget, we are dealing with nearest whole number. So this is going to be 23. This will be 11. But if we check the diagram carefully, here is 17. So if you have 17 and here is all the way, we cannot have from here to be 11. You know, if you approximate this, you get 11. So this means 11, 17. That will not work. But if I labeled here to be 23, I can say from here is 17. Then from here all the way 17, the top will be 5. No, that will be 5 or 6. Meaning 6, 17. So the value of h cannot be the 10.755, but rather 23.245. So I'll say that, therefore, the value of age is going to be 23. I think the measurement was in meters, so 23 meters as the value of h from that diagram. I get the concept developed from the beginning. Right away, giving us this is understood. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.